What's up guys, this is me Tapan here and welcome to my channel and welcome to another new video. I know very well you can understand by seeing the thumbnail. Yes, wait, we are going to start very soon, but before going to start, let me tell you, these days I'm so busy and that's why I couldn't come in front of the camera. So don't be so upset. I will be coming whenever I will get free time. Actually these days I'm taking online classes, I have my school. There also I need to take online classes, and after that every day I'm now creating the video for you. So that's why don't be upset. Definitely I'll be coming sometimes whenever I'll get free time. But before going to start, let me tell you, if you subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon, then you will get the notification every day for the new videos. And very soon we are going to get a family of 1000 subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before going to start, let me tell you what are the materials are required for this painting, such as glass color, framed glass, glass liner, fabric color, marker, A4 paper. All the material links I have given below in the description. So as you can see, I have taken a framed glass which I bought it via online, and now I'll be using only the glass from the frame. That's why I am unlocking the glass from the frame. After that, if your glass is not clean, then you need to take 3 to 4 drops of water and take tissue paper or newspaper to clean it properly. Remember, these glasses edges are very sharpened, so while cleaning you need to be very careful. After that, you need to have a picture or you can draw a picture. Now you need to take the picture or the painting first. At the bottom, you can keep the painting on your desk. On top of that, you need to place the glass properly. Then you need to take the liner. It can be black liner or it can be any other color. And after that, you can start lining on top of the glass, followed by your picture. While lining, you just need to be very careful. If you want to learn of this drawing or any drawing process, you can join my online classes, which I am conducting all over the world. All the details are given in the description. Sometimes you need to clean your glass liner with the tissue paper. It may happen from the liner the color will come little extra. So that time no need to be scared. Just take an earbud and wipe it carefully. After completing the lining, leave it for dry at least 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After that, when it will be dried completely, you need to take a fresh white paper. And again you need to place the glass on top of the white paper. Then take any color of your own choice, open the cap and start painting directly. You just need to be very careful while painting, because the color should not come out a lot and it should not cross the border. As you can see, while painting the bubbles are coming. For that, you can keep few earbuds with you and you can pop up the bubbles. As I am using water-based glass color, so it's not harmful for the kids. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel to get everyday interesting video. If you wanna join my online classes, then all the details are given in the description below. Please check it over there. As you can see, my coloring is already completed. So now we need to leave it for drying at least 3 to 4 hours.
One eternity later.
Now I have taken some poster color bottles. Like that you can take fabric color bottles as well to keep your glass little high from the paper. And see, I am just keeping those on the 4 corners of the paper. After that you need to turn your glass and place it on top of the bottle. Then you need to take a dark fabric color or acrylic color to fill the background, but not inside the outline. For this you can take flat brush or round brush, it's completely up to you. But I will recommend you, when you are going to do thinner portion, that time if you use round brushes, that will be better for you. Now my glass is ready to go inside the frame. For that you need to keep in mind the liner part, it will be in the front side, and place a white paper along with your glass. Let me inform you, your glass painting should not touch any kind of paper or paper made items, because if it will touch, then the paper or the paper made items, it will stuck on your glass painting, and it will be very difficult for you to remove those papers, and it will not look good. Then lock the frame. So your glass painting is completely ready. Now you can keep it on the table or you can hang on the wall to decorate your home.
There you go. How was it? I'm sure you like it. Give a nice comment in the comment section below. If you have any queries related to art, you can ask me over there as well. If you enjoyed watching this video and found this tutorial helpful, then give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as much as possible. Then it will be helpful for me and it will be helpful for them as well. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon to get notification for every day new videos. Yes guys, these days I have taken an 100 days art challenge. So every day, whether it's morning or afternoon, you will get a new video. Anyways, this time you can understand the situation is not going very well in the whole world. So try to stay at home as much as possible. Don't go out. Art materials are available these days in online. So you can buy everything from the online, and whatever materials are required for this glass painting, I have definitely given in the description below. You can check it over there. You can buy from there. So no need to go out, because it will not be good for you as well as for your parents. So have healthy food, stay at home. I will be meeting with you very soon. As I always say, be creative, be confident. Bye bye.